Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to pair your SRAM RED ETap system. This process is surprisingly simple and ensures all your wireless components communicate perfectly. You will learn the straightforward steps to connect your derailleurs and shifters, making sure your bike is ready for smooth rides. It is a quick task, usually taking less than 1 minute, but it is crucial for achieving reliable and precise shifting performance on every journey. Let's get started and get your system connected. To begin the pairing process, you will always start with the rear derailleur. Locate the small function button on the rear derailleur body. Press and hold this button down until you see the green LED light begin to blink slowly. This slow blinking indicates that the rear derailleur has entered pairing mode and is now ready to connect with other components. It serves as the primary component, orchestrating the entire wireless system. Once the rear derailleur is in pairing mode, move on to your other components. If you have a 2x system, press and hold the function button on your front derailleur until its LED blinks quickly, confirming it is paired. Then, proceed to each shifter. Press and hold the function button on your right shifter, waiting for its LED to blink quickly. Repeat this exact step for your left shifter. Each quick blink signifies a successful connection to the system. To finalize the pairing session, simply press and release the function button on your rear derailleur one time. You can also just wait for about 30 seconds, and the session will automatically time out. After completing these steps, it is important to verify that everything is working correctly. Attempt to shift both your front and rear derailleurs. You should see the LED lights on the shifters and derailleurs blink with each command, confirming that your SRAM RED ETap system is now fully paired and ready to ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.